Did you know that Loki once destroyed all of Asgard using nothing but good manners? Picture this. The gods are holding their most important war meeting ever. Enemy armies are marching toward them. They need to plan their defense fast. Then Loki walks in. He claims sacred guest rights, an ancient law that says you must protect any guest who asks. Breaking this law was the worst crime possible, even for gods. The gods have no choice. They must let him stay. They must feed him. They must keep him safe. So Loki sits right there at their war table. He listens to all their secret battle plans. He learns where their weapons are stored. He discovers their weaknesses. At night, while the gods sleep, Loki poisons their wine. He breaks their swords. He destroys their shields. He opens the gates for their enemies. The gods watch in horror as their home burns. They know Loki is destroying them, but they cannot touch him. The guest laws protect him until the very end, and that's how Loki won the ultimate game.